How to improve CIBIL score? Reminders. Don't forget to take all these precautions on time before it spoils your CIBIL report. Clear balances, choose different forms of credit, pay EMIs on time, increase your credit limit, get a secured card, and be careful while checking your CIBIL report. Here are tips to improve your CIBIL score. Clear balances, clear your credit balances and pay any unpaid dues. Choose different forms of credit. Create credit history by choosing different forms of credit. Pay EMIs on time. Ensure that you are not behind in repaying your credit card bills and loan EMIs. Tips. Increase your credit limit. It will have a positive impact on your CIBIL score. Get a secured card. Apply for a secured credit card by paying a nominal deposit. Be careful while checking your CIBIL report. Carefully check your CIBIL report and correct incorrect. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dial a Bank.